This is Mahmoud and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First, I will start drawing from the right side view. In the right side view, first I will draw this circle, and this circle has a radius of 40. After that, I will extrude boss this circle to 180. But as you can see, we have another extrude boss in here, so I will extrude boss it to direction 1 is 100 minus 30, and in direction 2 is 30 unit. So let's start. First of all, I will select the right plane, then sketch and select a circle and place the circle to the origin. Now dimension it to 40 radius. After that, isometric it and then go to features and extrude boss, and in the direction 1 extrude boss it to 30 unit and select direction 2 and extrude boss it to 180 minus 30 unit. Now press OK. After that, here you can see we have another semicircle of extrude cut, and this semicircle has a radius of 30 and it is extrude cutted through this side, and I will extrude cut it to 180 minus 30 unit. So select this face, now sketch, now normal to it, now select circle and draw a circle of 30 unit. Now select a line to make it a semicircle. After that, select trim entities and trim all the unnecessary part. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features and extrude cut, and extrude cut it to 180 minus 30 unit. Okay, and now we can see we have another extrude cut, and this extrude cut has a circular face. This circular face has a radius of 100. So I will draw a 100 radius circle. Then I will extrude cut total. I will total extrude cut it to this circular face, and then this extra triangular face. Okay, so I will select the front plane, then select sketch, now normal to it. Now here you can see we have a point here, and this point is located 80 plus 30 unit from the right side, and this point we can say this in our case this point is our origin, because we have the first extrude was I have select direction 1 and direction 2, so it is our origin. So first of all I will point this to point, and then I will draw a 100 radius circle, and then I will draw this circular profile. After that I will close the shape and extrude cut it. Okay, now I will select a point and place a point to the origin and place another point here, and now dimension it this upper point, and this upper point is 80 unit from the origin. Now press OK. Now it is time to draw our 100 radius circle. So select a circle and draw a circle of 100 radius. Now press OK. I will select the circle and move to up here, because I want to coincide this circle to other 2 point. So select the circle and now press Ctrl and select this point. Now select coincident. Now press OK and do same for this another point. So select this point and select this circle by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard, and now select coincident. Now press OK. After that, we know that we have to close this shape, so I will draw a shape. So select this line and place this line here and draw a closed shape. Okay, after that we have many unnecessary lines, so I'll trim all the unnecessary line that I don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now select features and extrude cut, and extrude cut to through both sides. Now press OK. After that, in here we can see in the back face. In the back face we have another extrude boss here, and this extrude boss portion is like, first I will have to draw this line, and this line is 150 unit, and then I'll draw one vertical line 10 unit and one another vertical line here of 10 unit. Then I will draw a tangent line, draw two tangent line from both sides. Okay, so I'll select the left face of the my object. So select the left face. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. After that, as we can see, the total distance is 150, so half distance will be 75. So I'll place my line here. Now I'll distance it to 150 divided by 2, and then select the smart dimension option. And here we can see this line horizontal line is from the origin line of the distance from this horizontal line and the origin line is 40 plus 20. So I will select this origin line and this line, so I'll dimension it to 40 plus 20 unit. After that, press OK, and now again select line and then place the line this point. Now dimension it to 10 unit. After that, draw your tangent line. Okay, do this for the same in the left side also. So draw a line of 75 unit, then draw a vertical line of 10 unit, and then draw a tangent line. Okay, after that press OK, and as we can see, we need to close this shape. So I select this shape, and now I will select combat entities. Now I will select trim entities. Now trim the unnecessary part. So now we have gotten our closed shape. Now isometric it, go to features and extrude boss. Here you can see it has extrude boss of 15 unit. So as it has extrude boss of 15 unit, so dimension it to 15 unit. I'll change the direction. Now press OK. Now we have another extra shape in our origin here. So this shape is like almost like the previous shape. First I will draw a horizontal line of 115 unit, then draw two vertical line of 10 unit. So I will draw this horizontal line and vertical line by using combat entities. Then I will draw this L shape line manually. After that I will close this shape and then extrude boss it to 15 unit. So I am selecting the right plane. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now I am selecting this line and this line and this line. Now select combat entities. After that select line tool, then draw a vertical line of 50 unit, then draw a horizontal line of 35 unit. Do this same for the right side also. Draw a vertical line of 50 unit, then draw a horizontal line of 35 unit. Now press OK. Now I'll select the tangent arc. So select this point, select this 2 point. Okay, I've drawn my tangent line, so I have gotten our closed shape. So go to features option. Now go to extrude boss and dimension it to 15 unit. Now press OK. As we can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.